diamond inside. So let's get it.
To open the chest, we must say the magic password. Today's password is
再见.
The voice controller selects slow. Let's say it slow.
再见，再见，再见，再见. Gulu say the magic password, but it is still locked.
We must play the voice controller again to say the password in a different way.
Everyone, come help me. Say it with us.
Okay, let's try to say it fast.
再见，再见，再见，再见，再见，再见，再见，再见。We did it!
Thank you for helping. Your voice energy is amazing.
We did a good job. We collect all the diamonds.